Hey y'all, hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. Long time no see. I feel like I haven't sat in this chair and just shot the shit with y'all in quite some time, so I am really happy to be back. Yes, I had a very good trip. It was a very small trip, but I had a very good trip. And just a fun fact, on our drive back, like the morning of our drive back, I caught a stomach virus. 5 hours in the car, it was a blast. Today, we're gonna be talking about Universal Standard Mystery Box unboxing, and this one is going to be their final ever mystery box. Like, they are discontinuing, like, over and out. If you are a fan of their clothes, this is the time to check into their stuff because I think it ends October 1st, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, if you are not familiar with the Universal Standard mystery boxes, there are 21 themed boxes to choose from. So you have a tops box, you have a bestsellers box, there's a surprise me box with like 3 things that are worth like up to $900 and some odd dollars. It is a crazy number and I'm kind of kicking myself for not getting that one. They also have a Denim Discovery box. So if you are a huge fan of Universal Standard denim like I am, or if you've never tried the brand and you kind of like wanting to try to dabble in their denim a little bit, dabble in their denim, this is the perfect opportunity to do that because I don't think there's very many pieces on their website of their jeans that is like less than $98. And if you get the mystery box, then it's like $48 per piece. So it is just a steal of a deal. And I haven't tried any of their denim that I really didn't like. Like, their poorest quality denim is gonna be still some of the best in your closet, honestly. I have a video talking all about the Universal Standard denim, so if you're interested in that, I will leave a link to it right up here somewhere or in the description box below. But for today's video, I picked up the new Necessary and Nice dress box, which retails for $240, I think. Yes, $240 with a value of up to $484. And let me show you what I got because I am very pleased. So the first dress that came in the mystery box is going to be this dress, and this is like one of the nicest dresses that I've ever tried. This sucker is fully lined with like the softest satin that I have ever put my hands on. And I don't know if you can hear that. Like, this sucker is thick and just beautiful. And the price of this dress alone retails for $178. So the value is 100% there when it comes to this box. And I just have to say, y'all, that this dress is like the perfect combination of modesty, but also chicness. Like, it's effortlessly chic. It's a beautiful fabric, and these things are built to last. So when you buy something from Universal Standard, it's like bioengineered to last a really long time, and that's why everything is priced a little bit higher. So I picked up my box in a size medium, as I mentioned earlier. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I picked up my box in a size medium, which is the perfect size for me because it's a size 18 to a 20. But this dress in particular is absolutely stunning. It's stunning. And I'm so glad that they included it in the mystery box. It's really fun to open up these things and find something that you know that you're gonna get a lot of use of, and this is gonna be one of them. So yeah, first one down, 2 more to go. So the second dress that they included in my mystery box is going to be a t-shirt dress, and I am a huge fan of t-shirt dresses. They're like the perfect lug around the house or just like go to the grocery store type of dress. It's just a comfortable, easy, everyday dress that you just don't have to think very much about, and you can wear it with flats or you can wear it with tennis shoes. But this is what the dress looks like, and this is called the Hallie dress or the Hallie t-shirt dress. It retails for $88, y'all. So already we have gotten the value of the mystery box. Like, that's just freaking amazing. And this fabric is so soft, like it's a thicker t-shirt material. It has pockets, which is perfect. And one of the things that I really appreciate about Universal Standards is because they think about the plus size figure and they make the sleeves a little bit longer. So if you have bigger arms like I do, like I have these fatty deposits that just kind of make these little round mounds on my arms, something that I really don't like to show off, you know what I mean? These really help to camouflage that very, very well. And the color is just gorgeous, perfect for fall. You can wear it with a denim jacket, you could wear it with a cardigan, you could wear it with tights underneath, you could wear it with lots of different shoes, even combat boots if you want to. And I mean, $88 for this. As I mentioned before, it came in a size medium. That's the one that I chose. And the quality and the fabric and everything is just perfection, which is something that you're gonna get with Universal Standard with every single piece that you buy. Now let's talk about the third piece. The third piece that they sent me, it's not really my favorite, and let me tell you why. So it's also gonna be a dress. As I mentioned before, this is gonna be a dress box, but this one is just not suitable for my figure. It just is not going to work with me. For one thing, it kind of has a little bit more of a drop waist, and then it has like these little strange elastic saddlebags on the side that just really do nothing for my figure. But I will say that this material is so incredibly soft. So this is the Devi liquid jersey dress in the color Midnight Rain, and it retails for $118, which, like, wow, that it still is a value. And I'm probably, if I'm being honest, I'm probably gonna put this on Poshmark. But if you're interested in the Universal Standard mystery boxes, I will have a coupon code. So I'll put it here on the screen, and I also put it in the description box. So I think it's like 10 or 20%. And if you do use the coupon code, I will receive like a small percentage of the sale. That's just an FYI for me to be like 100% transparent. But you know, it's still, I'm gonna be 100% honest and let y'all know that this one is kind of a bust for me. It just doesn't work with my figure. It kind of accentuates my pooch, but nonetheless, the quality is fantastic. The structure is fantastic. The sleeves cover all my problem areas. It's just a little bit humdrum and a little bit too matronly for my aesthetic. And I think that this is probably a dress that would better suit somebody who's a little thinner. Like, I think it would look very, I don't know, effortless and kind of country girl and very farm aesthetic. For me, it just kind of looks a little moo-moo-ish, and that's not really the look that I'm going for. You know what I'm saying? So this is the final dress in today's Universal Standard mystery box unboxing. And I do have to say that I am very pleasantly surprised with 2 of the 3 items that I got. I really think that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of the other dresses. And if I had to choose between which mystery boxes that I would buy like this time around, because I'm definitely going back and gonna get some, I would probably get the Denim Discovery box, like, for sure, because that is a great deal. And their Carry jeans are some of my all-time favorite jeans that I've ever tried in my whole entire life. But I'd also probably get the Surprise Me box, because that one is like $98 and you have up to a $970 value. And then I'd probably get, I think it's called like Modern something or other, and I've seen videos about those, and they send trench coats, and I want one of their trench coats really bad, because they retail for $290 and they're beautiful. They're just beautiful. So let me know in the comment section down below which one you would get if you could, and definitely check out the coupon code that I have in the description box below as well. And yeah, that is gonna do it for today's video. I hope y'all found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy in this wild, weird, crazy world that we're living in. And I'm gonna be seeing y'all very soon. Bye.